Most of the humanoid robots of recent years have been created with one goal in mind: replace a person in a warehouse, factory, or dangerous environment. UBTECH has taken a fundamentally different path. Their new U1 series under the UWORLD brand is not a robot for work, but for being around. A home companion whose task is not to lift boxes, but to talk, gesture, and look like an ordinary person. The line is presented in two versions: male model, height 183 centimeters, weight 42 kilograms, elegant suit and glasses. Female, height 168 centimeters, weight 35 kilograms, long, wavy hair and neat makeup. The surface of both is covered with high-tech silicone, reproducing the texture of human skin. Beneath it are dozens of micro-activators that mimic facial muscles. The skin around the eyes and mouth naturally wrinkles and stretches to the beat of speech. This is what removes the notorious robotic lag, that fraction of a second delay that gives the car away. The appearance is completely customizable. The user can change his hairstyle, clothes, and makeup. Technically, 88 degrees of freedom is a record for consumer devices. The hinges are distributed over the legs, arms, hands, neck, and chest, which ensures smooth movements that are unattainable for industrial robots. At the same time, U1 is not designed for heavy work and walking on stairs. It's designed for smooth home surfaces. Sit down, get up, gesture, move around the room. Autonomy from 2 to 4 hours on a single charge. The hardware is based on multi-core processors and edge graphics cards with high T-flops for processing neural networks of spatial orientation in real time. The AI on board analyzes the tone of voice, the speed of speech, and facial expressions of the interlocutor, adjusting its own mood. The long-term memory system remembers the owner's habits and conversation history, gradually forming unique character traits. All biometric data is encrypted locally on the device without being transferred to the cloud. Third-party developers are not allowed to program. Pre-orders opened on JD.com with a deposit of 3,000 yuan, about $415. The official worldwide presentation with the announcement of the exact price is on June 30th, 2026 in Shenzhen. The first deliveries are scheduled for September 2026. The projected retail price is from $15,000 to $30,000. Would you buy yourself such a robot?